Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lecture we are going to learn Adhan. But before starting, just remember some points. First, that do not show off to others. That is riyakari, and that is very prohibited in Islam. And second point is reward of Adhan. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Muazzin who is calling Adhan will get a very high place in the sight of Allah on the day of judgment. So this is the reward. You should remember this reward during learning the Adhan. In this lecture we will practice the first 4 words of Adhan. You have to just concentrate and listen again and again to be perfect in this Adhan. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. So concentrate on the words, concentrate on the ups and downs. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. So you have to just concentrate and practice again and again. You have to focus on the ups and downs. Now I am telling you some common mistakes. Some people says Allahu Akbar. This is a mistake. You have to say very softly. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Very softly. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Akbar. Very softly. And the second mistake is Ra. Allahu Akbar. Sometimes people say Akbar, bar. So you have to say Akbar, bar, with oval shaped mouth and with a bulky sound. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. This is the second mistake. Third mistake is that people sometimes stretch straight voice. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. So this is the third mistake. You have to focus on the ups and downs, just like Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. So if you have any question, you can ask anytime, any question. I will be very happy to answer these questions, and the remaining letters we will learn inshallah in the next lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.